Bismillah, walhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Inshallah, in this video, we will learn about Fatha. Any letter with a Fatha will be read as A or A sound. So, for example, first one, Alif Fatha A. Second one, Ba Fatha Ba. So, A sound at the end. Ta Fatha Ta. Tha Fatha Tha. Jim Fatha Ja. So we need to remember this. Jim Fatha, not Jim. Jim Fatha Ja. A sound or A sound. Next one, Ha Fatha Ha. Kha Fatha Kha. Dal Fatha Da. Dal Fatha, not Dal. Dal Fatha Da. There has to be a sound. Next line, Zal Fatha Za. Ra Fatha Ra. Za Fatha Za. Sin Fatha Sa. Remember, Sin Fatha, not Sin. Sin Fatha Sa. Shin Fatha Sha. Sad Fatha Sa. Dad Fatha Da. Ta Fatha Ta. You can repeat with me or you can repeat after me. Next line. Dha Fatha Dha. Ain Fatha A. Ghain Fatha Gha. Fa Fatha Fa. Qaf Fatha Qa. Kaf Fatha Ka. And remember, this is not long. These are short. All of them are short. So Kaf Fatha Ka. Not Ka. Lam Fatha La. Not La. So this is very important. We have to remember. Mim Fatha Ma. Now last line. Noon Fatha Na. Waw Fatha Wa. Ha Fatha Ha. Hamza Fatha A. Ya Fatha Ya. Okay, now we will do the exercise. And we are going to spell it and read. So the first one, Alif Fatha A. Mim Fatha Ma. And then we say both of them together. Ama. And then we say the third letter. Ra Fatha Ra. Amara. That's how we read. So first we spell first letter, then we spell second letter, and then we say both of them together, and then we add the third letter. If there is four letter, then we add the fourth one after. Ba Fatha Ba. Lam Fatha La. Then we say together. Bala. Ghain Fatha Gha. Balagha. Like that. Tha Fatha Tha. Mim Fatha Ma. Thama. Ra Fatha Ra. Thamara. Jim Fatha Ja. Mim Fatha Ma. Jama. Ain Fatha A. Jama'a. Now next line. Ha Fatha Ha. Sin Fatha Sa. Hasa. Dal Fatha Da. Hasada. Dal Fatha Da. Kaf Fatha Ka. Dhaka. Ra Fatha Ra. Dhakara. Ra Fatha Ra. Fa Fatha Fa. Rafa. Ain Fatha A. Rafa'a. زا فتحة زا. عين فتحة ع. زع. ميم فتحة ما. زعم. You can learn line by line. So you can practice one line. You can listen to one line, practice with me, and then you can pause the video and practice more. Once you learn one line, then you move on to next line. If you do this way, then inshallah it will be easy for you. Now let's read together next line. Sin fatha sa. Ra fatha ra. Sara. Qaf fatha qa. Saraqa. صاد فتحة صا. دال فتحة دا. صاد. قاف فتحة قا. صادقا. ضاد فتحة ضا. را فتحة را. ضرا. با فتحة با. ضرب. ضا فتحة ضا. لام فتحة لا. ظلا. ميم فتحة ما. ظلم. عين فتحة ع. دال فتحة دا. عدا. لام فتحة لا. عدل. قاف فتحة قا. ميم فتحة ما. قام. را فتحة را. قمر. كاف فتحة كا. سين فتحة سا. كسا. با فتحة با. كسب. واو فتحة و. جيم فتحة جا. وجا. دال فتحة دا. وجد. So alhamdulillah, we read lesson 3 and we read with spelling. Now I'm going to read without spelling. So first you practice spelling many times and learn it properly, and then you try to you try without spelling, inshallah. So what I mean by spelling and without spelling is alif fatha a, ba fatha ba, and without spelling is a, ba, ta, tha, ja, ha, kha, da, za, ra, za, sa, sha, sa, ضا, طا, ظا, ع, غا, فا, قا, كا, لا, ما, نا, wa, ha, a, ya. So that's how you do without spelling. When we do the word, this one, without spelling, we do like that. First we say first letter a, and then second one ma, and then we put them together, we say them together, ama, and then we add third one ra, amara, like that. Ba, la, bala, gha, balagha. Tha, ma, thama, ra, thamara. Ja, ma, jama, a, jama'a. Next line. Ha, sa, hasa, da, hasada. Dha, ka, dhaka, ra, dhakara. Ra, fa, rafa, a, rafa'a. Za, a, za'a, ma, za'ama. Sa, ra, sara, qa, saraqa. Sa, da, sada, qa, sadaqa. Da, ra, dara, ba, daraba. Dha, la, dhala, ma, dhalama. A, da, ada, la, adala. Qa, ma, qama, ra, qamara. Ka, sa, kasa, ba, kasaba. Wa, ja, waja, da, wajada. I read little bit fast because I didn't want video to be too long. You can pause the video and practice, inshallah. Jazakumullahu khairan. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.